What's up mga palamunin? Today we are going to Power Mac Center to get a MacBook Pro. I'm not sure what I'm gonna get, if it's gonna be a 13-inch or a 16-inch. Depende kung anong stock nila. Hopefully they have what I'm looking for. Gastos na naman. Pero okay lang yan kasi palamunin tayo. MacBook Air M1. Yeah, space gray. Credit card.
Double check ko lang sir, MacBook Air po na 256 space air. Sure naman na sa coloring capacity just in case na ma-open may change of mind pa.
Okay.
Mag-apply na yung restocking fee na 25% po, wala naman siya problem po. Then 7 days replacement meron naman siya, pero papacheck ko muna natin sa service center bago siya palitan. Dahil na yan sir, GoPro na.
Yes, GoPro yun.
Kaya niya ko talaga nagagamit. Mas matagal siya.
Oh.
7 eh.
So it's finally here, the MacBook Air M1. I didn't get the Pro because, you know, it's the same processor. It's still the same M1 processor. Tagal pa hindi nakapag-unbox ng matinong Apple product. So here goes. So the reason why we're unboxing here in the Mac store is because they want to ensure na walang damage yung product, and if meron man, we can get it exchanged immediately. So wag ko sana mabagsak dito kasi pagka physical damage, they don't cover that. Slowly. There it is. May charge pa siya pagka...
Meron naman yan sir, pagka wala charge na lang.
So it has a pull tab para hindi mo kailangan i-flip yung buong box. The pull tab also is the pull tab for the cover. So satisfying. And there it is. In space gray, the MacBook Air. It doesn't have a fan, that's why it's so thin. It uses the material that it's made of to cool itself. So we're going to open it now. Nice. There it is. It immediately starts up. No need to press the power button. As you can see, this one doesn't come with a touch bar. That only comes with a Pro. Is this fingerprint?
Apo.
So it still has the fingerprint capability. It shares the same I/O as the Pro. 2 USB Type-Cs and one 3.5mm jack for audio. As far as everything else is concerned, it's pretty much standard Apple. So I guess that's pretty much it for the unboxing. I guess I'll just show you guys what else is inside the box. So let's get on the box right now since we have time, as Ate is putting the laptop back on its protective case and covers. So inside we have the USB Type-C cord, pretty standard. The documentation with the stickers. I'm not sure if it has one sticker or two stickers, but the stickers are here. And a very small power brick. I'm not used to this. I thought that I would get like one of those 65-watt power adapters, but this one is a 30-watt power adapter. So we're gonna see how it's going to match up against my old MacBook Pro, the 13-inch. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's really no underneath of this box. So we'll give it to Ate to put the laptop back inside so that we can do another unboxing at home, because you know, unboxings are such therapeutic things to do. But again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you dislike this video, please let us know in the comments below. And as always, please do subscribe to my channel for more tech and cycling unboxings. Bye-bye.